Hello, we're going to make a video. And this video will show how to create a virtual Anaconda Python environment with Pytorch GPU and Torchvision. Okay, so if you remember from a previous video, what we did was we created a directory called environment scripts, and so that we're going to use that to find our script that we want to source. So I'll do a change directory into environment scripts, and I'll do an ls-l, and you can see where these actually, I'm sorry, I'll come up here. If I do an ls-l, you can see where this is linked to /local project setup info and scripts. That's where these scripts actually live. So we'll go back into this environment scripts directory. Excuse me, type ls. And what we wanted to do is we want to source Anaconda 3, that one script there. And actually, I need to come back here and put a / in front. And you can see it says base here on the left-hand side, so that shows that we are now in the base environment of Anaconda. So I'm going to do a change directory back to my root directory. I'll type present working directory. I'll type clear to get a nice clear screen. Okay, so what we want to do is we'll create a Conda virtual environment, and so how we're going to do that is we're going to type Conda create, and then -n signifies the next thing that will come will be the name, and I'll just make up a name in env Pytorch GPU -TV for Torchvision. Okay, and then what we'll do now is we'll type the packages that we're looking for. So one will be Pytorch -GPU, and the other package will be Torchvision. Okay, and we'll enter and see what happens. And sometimes this can take a while. This one seems pretty quick. Okay, now it's getting things all set up. Okay, great. So now it's installed. Now we just want to make sure that we can see the GPUs with our new environment. So you'll notice here it says Conda activate, and then we have our environment name. So I'm going to go ahead and type that. That should have been GPU. I called it GPL. Oh well. Should still work. Okay, and you can see on the left-hand side I put my environment name, so I know that I'm in there. And so let's do a test here. We're going to type Python. We're going to go into Python. Okay, and now we're going to import Torch Okay, that worked. That's good. Now we're going to say torch.cuda.isAvailable. And since this is a function we're calling, we got our parentheses at the end. And it comes back as true. And so that means that this implementation can see the cores. And let's see if I can quit out. Okay, now I'm back in my environment Pytorch GPU-TV for Torchvision environment. And if I want to drop back to the base environment, I can type deactivate. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why I'm not deactivating. If I type exit, that'll drop me all the way out. But anyways, that's how you can go ahead and oh, I see what I did wrong. So if I should have said Conda deactivate, and that would have dropped me back to my base environment. So anyways, that's how you create that's how you create an environment, a Python environment that can access the GPUs. Okay, thanks a lot. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for listening.